I'm WeatherBug meteorologist Gretchen Mishik with your forecast details from coast to coast on this Saturday. Your headlines today include the Northern Plains blizzard, impressive snow totals coming out of the western portions of South Dakota, measuring the snow in feet rather than inches. Plus, Karen expected to make landfall along the Gulf Coast as we head through the weekend, and a blast of cold air through the Central Plains as a front marches eastward into the Ohio River Valley throughout the next couple of days. This is the big weather maker. We have an area of low pressure tracking across the upper Midwest. On the backside, we're pulling in that colder Canadian air, and that means snow. Those dark blue shaded areas, that's where we have blizzard conditions, very limited visibility, snow totals upwards of 40 inches in portions of western South Dakota. That cold air rushing into the Central Plains has generated severe storms in portions of Iowa, South Dakota, Nebraska yesterday, and we may once again see some stronger storms this afternoon in the mid-Mississippi River Valley. That colder air will continue to advance eastward. We're also watching Karen, that storm system still churning in the Gulf of Mexico, but it is headed northward and expected to be scraping the southeastern edge of Louisiana. It will be steered into the mid-Atlantic region as this front will be continuing to push it towards the east. Cooler, drier weather will be filtering in behind this front. Some dramatic temperature changes, especially across the Central Plains today. High temperatures in the 90s yesterday. Places like Nebraska and Kansas, where those same spots will only be in the 50s and 60s today. It's also hot and dry in the desert Southwest. The Santa Ana winds kicking up in places like Los Angeles, with a high temperature of 92 there today. Sunshine and 67 in Seattle, 78 with a possibility of some stronger storms in St. Louis today. Sunshine and 86 in Atlanta.